Hello again, this is Vlad again, and this time we're going to do something different. So we're going to create a normal change request, but we will make it fail. So let's choose a template for the change request. Let's use the same immediate DML change request for dev. It auto-populates uh, all of the options, and there are no tasks as of yet. But this time let's attach a script that we know will fail for sure. This is the script, controlled failure. So if we'll take a look at it, it will fail for sure because this statement, delete insert into a table, is erroneous. You cannot have delete and insert on the same line in the same statement. So obviously it will fail. So let's copy its name. Okay, rename. And let's choose it. So it's been attached, it's right here. So let's remove all of these scripts and add the one I just shown. So this change request will fail, and what we expect it to do is to run through it and then open an incident for the DBAs to handle. So the idea is basically this. If something runs fine, you don't need a DBA. Automation gets the requests, analyzes them, runs them without any help of the DBAs other than creating the logic for the automation to use. But if something fails, automation starts to fixing it, attempts to fix it. If it cannot, only then it opens up an incident and assigns it to a DBA. So when you implement this kind of hyper automation, for the first probably 2-3 months, the percentage of DCRs of change requests automated will be about 95%. It will take probably 6 months to a year to basically bring that number to 1% or even lower. All right, so we attached it. Let's submit it. Let's find it. Here it is. Okay, and here's our controlled failure script right here. So there's no tasks, nothing was done. But this time we're going to go to incidents, and we will put this page on auto refresh. 5 minutes hard refresh. Start. So what we expect to see is on this side, on the side of automation, we will see red lines, which means something has failed. And then we expect on this side an incident to be opened, which will basically mention the change request we just opened ourselves. All right, so let's do it. There we go. So it runs. So watch this part. There will be a red line. There we go. So item running DCR, and there's the name of it, the one we just run, delete insert into source. So obviously error on line 1 or 00903 invalid table name. So there we go. That's the error. And we see there's an incident opened already, and it hasn't even finished running. Still running. Okay, so it's done in 39 seconds. Now let's take a look at the incident. First of all, let's go and look. So we've got the change request. That's the number 1105, and it's closed. Now let's go back to incident. Let's stop the auto refresh. So as you can see, it says change request 1105, the one we just saw, this one has failed. One or more Oracle databases change request failed to run, and it also attaches the log for the run for the DBA to take a look at and resolve. So the idea is this: automation does 95% to 99% of your work. There's no 100%, it's just unrealistic. If something fails, that 1%, the DBA should handle 1 to 5%. And every time the DBA handles that part, he or she has to update the knowledge repository, and that knowledge repository has to amend this automation, basically playbook, to include that error. So instead of opening an incident, the next time the automation will simply do what the DBA does to resolve this. So this is the part for um, for basically remediation of errors and opening incidents after a failed change request run. Thank you.